You are from South Africa, like many things we give incidences of Indian culture because I'm unaware of South Africa culture. So, like, I want to hear it from you. How did you find the course? How did you find this 5 days of learning?
Thank you very much, Sangeeta. It was really an eye-opener for me, bringing a good couple of concepts together. As I said in the beginning of the course, did I did have some experience, uh, but it was mostly testimonials from other people that used um, another modality, most probably, but that they are something that, well, God is in yourself, and that actually anything is possible. And through you, I do believe that, um, well, you instill that in me, that anything is possible. I, I do believe that with the right mindset and a belief work, that I will be able to continue on this journey. And yes, you were actually wonderful. We do have a lot of, I do have a lot of Indian friends as well, yeah. So I'm not unfamiliar with you, but yes, it is. You are the greatest people that I have met.